This is the Meerkat at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Hey, would you like to trade with us in the GrokStar Room? You can, 30 days for free. See the end of the video here for details. Let's look at a trade that we had in the GrokStar Room this morning, and it was on CSAL. That is communication sales. And here we are. It had moved big here in pre-market. Here it is at opening, and it was forming an ascending triangle. Want to know more about an ascending triangle? You can just go to our site, freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Go right here to Chart School, and we have different trading patterns here. And this is a ascending triangle, very first one on the bull list there. You click on that, it takes us to a page. Here's a picture of it where we have a horizontal line. It keeps hitting a line of resistance, and it gets tighter and tighter and tighter like a coiled spring, ready to break out. If you want to read more about it, you can read it here. You can even print it off and study all of them here in our chart school. Here's some examples of them. These are some from day charts where each candle is 1 day for swing trading. You can see how they've turned out in the past. And here's one from a earlier day trade that I showed. So let's take a look here at the one on CSAL. Again, ascending. So we set a trade right up here, but you see this yellow line? That is the pivot line, which are lines that are calculated on the price action from the day before. It's an intraday indicator and a possible line of resistance. You can see this area certainly is. So we set a trade just above it. Let's let the market come to us, and let's see what happened next. And boom, there we go, and I am now in at $37.26. I am long on CSAL. We immediately place a stop right down here below that pivot line, so that if it comes back down, at least I have a little shield there, and to protect against hitting my stop. Oh no, it's still going up now. It's flattening out a little bit. And now I'm going to move my stop up here as it pulls up to here. I'm pulling my stop up since it's at 1%. Price action wise, right here to break even. Now I have a risk-free trade. Oh boy, I love it when that happens. Here we are. This is nice and gentle. At this point, I had 2 or 3 other trades going on at the same time, and we called a total of 10 trades in the GrokStar Room this morning, and not always at the same time. And look at that, we got to pull this down. It's pulling out here real nicely. Look how it's following this 8 EMA very gently. So now I'm going to bring my stop up under this 20 moving average area. And let's see how it goes from there. Oh, it's popping up there, and now it's starting to get a little overextended way out here from that 8 EMA. So I'm going to pull it up here under the 8 EMA. There's my stop right there, and bam, it dropped down and stopped me out right here at 27.66 for 1.4% in 31 minutes. Well, then let's see what happened after that. Well, it just kind of flattened out for a while, and then it took off again later in the afternoon. If you'd like to trade with us, 30 days for free in the GrokStar Room, just go to groktrade.com, groktrade.com. Right up here, GrokStar Chat Room. You just tap on that, takes you to our page, and you can welcome any of those morning hour traders. Now that the morning hours room is closed, you feel free to join us here. We start at 9 o'clock to find those pretty charts that we want to trade when the market opens, and we trade till about 12 o'clock each day. That's, of course, Eastern time, and I make out audible calls throughout the day so that you can keep your eye on your charts. So you can read about everything that we provide in that room here, and here's even more if you want to read about it. What the heck? And then join down here again, 30 days for free, and after that it's about the price of 1 commission each day you're in the room. Not bad. This is the Meerkat, as OC, the market man himself from the GrokStar Room, says, I trade my trading system, not the market. Trade well.